Good morning all students, how are you? In previous lecture of class 9th maths of lecture 3rd, we will discuss about the cylinder and hollow cylinder. How we will find out the total surface area of the cylinder and how we will find out the curved surface area of the cylinder, and same question based on the hollow cylinder. In lecture 4, we discuss that how we will find out the TSA and how we will find out the CSA of right circular cone. So today lecture we will discuss exercise 13.3, which is completely based on right circular cone. So today we will discuss right circular cone. So first is that up to 8th class you discuss cone, but why we changing here name right circular cone? Anyone can tell to me cone why converted into right circular cone? Because in cone we find out a perpendicular height that form 90-degree angle. Between height and radius 90-degree angle formation is present or not. That's why that is called the right circular cone. Now how we forming here the right circular cone? Cone का formation कैसे होता है स्टूडेंट्स? अगर आप एक सर्किल है, सर्किल की हेल्प से आप कोन का फॉर्मेशन करना चाहो, सो कोन का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होगा? इफ वी टेक आउट स्मॉल ट्राइंगल्स, then we form here the cone or not? How? Suppose we take that one circle part. अब क्या किया है, इसमें से ये पार्ट आपने कट कर लिया. Now we will take small we cut small pieces. Small pieces को क्या कर लिया है, आपने कट कर लिया. That is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, that one. And that is L, length of L1, L2, L3, L4, that arc length. इसको arc length consider कर लो, B1, B2 no. That is L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, that one. Now that form a triangle. And if we calculate here area of that all triangles, or if we joined all triangles, then we form a cone or not? कौन फॉर्म कर सकते हैं? तो अगर इनको कंप्लीट को ज्वाइन करवाओगे देन क्या ऑब्टेन होगा? वी गेट हियर ए राइट सर्कुलर कॉन. नाउ वी डिस्कस राइट सर्कुलर कॉन. A is the vertex, B, C. O is the center, and that AO, that is the radius of the cone, and AO is the height, and that AB is the known as L, which is known as slant height. So same, how we will find out the curved surface area of the right circular cone? How we will find out the total surface area of the cone? How we will calculate it? That we will discuss. So firstly for curved surface area, so how we will calculate its curved surface area? That in previous we already discussed that if from a circle we will take out the small pieces of triangle, and if we will find out the area of each triangle, then add, then which gives us the curved surface area of the cone. So what is the area? 1/2. Multiply. Many arc length are present or not? L, L1, L2, L3, that all. L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 up to Ln. That is base. And that different radius or not? So that complete convert into its circumference, multiply 2 pi r. So 1/2. If we will add all arc length, L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 up to Ln. Then we get here L multiply by 2 pi r2 cancel. So we obtained here CSA of cone is nothing but that is 2 pi r. That will come either in centimeter square or in meter square. Understand? So that is the curved surface area of the right circular cone, pi r l. So here r is a radius of circular part of cone, l is known as slant height, and h is the vertical height. Vertical height generally known as height of cone. If in question is given to you that the height of the cone is 90 centimeter, so whose value is given to you? H is given to you. In question given to you the slant height is 20 centimeter, then whose value is given to you? L value is given to you. Understand? But if a radius is given to you, height is given to you, then how we will calculate its slant height? आपको रेडियस ऑफ द बेस गिवन है, आपको हाइट ऑफ द कोन गिवन है, देन हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द स्लैंट हाइट ऑफ द कोन. टू कैलकुलेट द CSA we required L value also or not? L value required है. So now we will calculate here slant height. So how we will calculate here slant height? So how we will calculate slant height in triangle AOB? That angle is 90 or not? ट्राइंगल AOB में एंगल AOB 90 डिग्री फॉर्म हो रहा है. मीनिंग इज दैट ट्राइंगल AOB इज ए राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. ट्राइंगल AOB क्या है आपका? राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, AB square is equals to AO square plus BO square. AB square equals to AO square plus BO square. AB square L square is equals to R square plus H. Using that formula, our L equals to under root R square plus H square. That also will come in centimeter or meter. Using that one formula also, we can calculate its slant height under root R square plus H square. Okay, so L, R and H, out of 3 parameters any 2 is given to you, then you will find out the third one. L, R और H में 3 unknown है, 3 unknown में से 2 known आपको given होंगे, then you will calculate the third one, then after you will calculate its curved surface area. Understand? Now in right circular cone 2 faces are present. Here one circular face and one curved face. One is circular face is present and one is curved face is present. So second we calculate here its total surface area also. Obvious है, 2 फेसेस प्रेजेंट है, एक कर्व्ड फेस है और एक सर्कुलर फेस है. आपने कर्व्ड फेस का एरिया कैलकुलेट कर लिया, अब इसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट कैसे करोगे? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया और राइट सर्कुलर कॉन प्लस बेस एरिया विच गिव्स अस द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द राइट सर्कुलर कॉन और नॉट, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ राइट सर्कुलर कॉन. So next is TSA. So how we will calculate the TSA of right circular cone, which is equals to CSA of cone plus base area. So what is the CSA of cone? Pi RL. Base area is pi R square. Pi R is common. L plus R. That is the TSA of a right circular cone. Understand? Base क्या है? Circle है. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So pi r bracket L plus r, which gives us the total surface area of the right circular cone. Now we will discuss question based on right circular cone. अब इस पे question discuss करते हैं. Now first example is that find CSA and TSA of right circular cone in which a radius and height are 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर. आपको स्टूडेंट्स क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? कौन का टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है एंड कर्ड सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है. रेडियस गिवन है आपको, हाइट गिवन है. ए बी ओ. Radius is given to you 12 centimeter and height is given to you 5 centimeter. So to calculate the curved surface area and to calculate the total surface area, we required here slant height, but slant height is not given to you. So firstly we know that L is equals to under root r square plus h square. L equals to root of, what is the value of r? 12 square. H is 5 square. So L 144 plus 25. L is 169. So from here L is 13 centimeter. Our first work is to find out the curved surface area of the cone and to find out the total surface area of the cone. We required slant height. तो आपने स्लेंट हाइट फाइंड कर ली. स्लेंट हाइट क्या है आपके? 13 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वी कैलकुलेट CSA. सो व्हाट इज द CSA? पाई आर एल 22/7. रेडियस इज 12 है, L इज 13. सिंप्लीफाई, दैट आंसर विल कम इन सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. R value you know, L value you know, then simplify, then you will get the its curved surface area. सेकेंड क्या कैलकुलेट करना था आपको स्टूडेंट्स? इट्स टोटल सरफेस एरिया. सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज पाई आर ब्रैकेट L प्लस आर. वैल्यू पुट करो. 22/7. रेडियस इज 12 है, L इज 13 प्लस रेडियस इज 12 है. 22 मल्टीप्लाई 12 है, मल्टीप्लाई 25/7, दैट विल कम इन सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके. So here radius given, slant height calculate कर लिया, then calculate its total surface area. Now next type question. If slant height is given, suppose given to you that slant height of cone is 13 centimeter and its CSA is 88 pi, then find TSA and height of cone. Slant height of the cone is given to you 13 centimeter and CSA is 88 pi centimeter square. Then you will calculate here what is the total surface area and what is the height of the cone. So given to you here, L is 13 centimeter, its CSA is 88 pi centimeter square. Then we will calculate here its TSA and height of the cone. So how we will calculate? With the help of formula. Firstly, we know that L equals to under root R square plus H square over L square is equals to R square plus H square. What is the value of L? 13 square equals to R value. Here R value is not given. So firstly we will find out the R calculate करो. So CSA equals to 88 pi. CSA pi RL equals to 88 pi. Pi cancel. What is the value of L? R into 13 equals to 88. क्या बनेगा R? 88 अपॉन 13 सेंटीमीटर. वैल्यू पुट करो हेयर 88 अपॉन 13 होल स्क्वायर प्लस एच स्क्वायर. सो फ्रॉम हेयर एच स्क्वायर वैल्यू 13 स्क्वायर माइनस 88 अपॉन 13 होल स्क्वायर. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लोगे. फ्रॉम हेयर यू कैन इजिली फाइंड आउट द हाइट ऑफ द कोन. अब आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? TSA. सो व्हाट इज द TSA? TSA ऑफ कोन क्या होता है? So its TSA of cone is pi R bracket L plus R. 22/7. Again radius is not given, but आपने radius कैलकुलेट की थी. radius क्या थी? 88 upon 13. So 88 upon 13. L is 13 plus 88 upon 13. Simplify, then you will get the total surface area of the right circular. Okay. Now next question देखो. If we consider about the birthday cap, our joker cap, so that is in the also shape in cone. कैप होती है, बर्थडे कैप होती है, जोकर की कैप होती है. और वी कंसिडर द लाइट एमिटिंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो इन द शेप ऑफ कॉन. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द surface area और how we will find out the area of the cloth which is make that one. आपको क्या करना है? वो कैप बनानी है, बर्थडे कैप बनानी है. अब उस बर्थडे कैप को फॉर्म करने में हाउ मैनी क्लॉथ इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक दैट वन कैप. सो इन दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन what we will find out? Always we will find out the curved surface area of the cone. Understand? Because their downward part पे क्या cloth requirement है? No, that is open. Second example, if we will consider the example of tent, conical tent. So in conical tent, where we require the cloth? Only we use the cloth on its curved surface area, not on base. So important point, in case of birthday cap, we find only CSA of cone. Second is that in case of conical tent, cloth require we find only CSA of cone. ओके, कॉनिकल टेंट के केस में भी आप क्या फाइंड आउट करोगे? ओनली कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कॉन, नॉट टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कॉन। अब ना तो इसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट करोगे और ना ओनली क्या कैलकुलेट करोगे? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कॉन। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी डिस्कस कॉम्ब कॉर्न। यू हर्ड? तो देखो स्टूडेंट्स, कॉम्ब कॉर्न के केस में इसमें आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? इन केस ऑफ कॉम्ब कॉर्न दैट इज ऑल्सो शेप इन द कॉन, बट वेयर सीड्स आर प्रेजेंट और वेयर small part is present that is eatable, only present its surface part, so there also we will find out the CSA of the corn। कॉब कॉर्न के केस में जो सीड्स होते हैं या स्मॉल एटेबल पार्ट्स होते हैं वो कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं स्टूडेंट? ऑल अराउंड द सरफेस ऑफ दैट वन, सो वी फाइंड आउट हेयर ऑल्सो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कॉर्न। अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो। नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइप का क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स और क्या हो सकता है आपके लिए? सेम radius and height ratio is given to you, then its CSA is given to you, then how we will calculate its height, how we will calculate its total surface area। आपको height कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, that we will discuss in question। so next question देखो, in a cone its TSA and CSA ratio is 9:2। TSA and CSA ratio is given to you 9:2 and its slant height is 7 centimeter, then find its base radius and height of cone। आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? बेस रेडियस कैलकुलेट करना है एंड height of the cone calculate करना। so how will calculate? what is given to you? the ratio of TSA to CSA of cone is given to you 9:2। we know that what is the TSA? pi r bracket r plus l, CSA pi r l equals to 9/2। pi r cancel, substitute value, r value is given to you know, height is given, so r plus 7/7 equals to 9/2, so 2r plus 7 is equals to 63, 2r is equals to 63 minus 7। from here you can find out the radius। 63 में से 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे 3 4 15 6। now what is the radius? 56/2 which will come 28 centimeter। so here radius of right circular cone क्या है आपकी? 28 centimeter। now what we will calculate here? height। so how we will calculate the height? slant height आपको 7 है, radius 28 है, so using formula, but ये here we will take the different ओके यहाँ पे जो मैंने वैल्यू ली है वो डिफरेंट ली है, सो आपका आंसर क्या एक्यूरेट नहीं बनेगा, बट प्रोसीजर यही होगा आपको। सो हाइट ऑफ द कॉन, सो ओनली वी फाइंड आउट बेस रेडियस। ओके, सो इन दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो इफ द रेशियो ऑफ द टोटल सरफेस एरिया टू द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया इज गिवन, then how we will calculate? We will substitute the formulas and we put values, then we will get the answer। okay, so in all question based on right circular cone, first type of question students क्या हो सकता है आपके पास? directly radius of base is given, height of cone is given, then calculate its total surface area, calculate its curved surface area. So before calculating the total surface area and curved surface area, firstly we will find out its slant height. Second type क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकता है स्टूडेंट्स, if their CSA is given to you and a radius is given to you, then asking the slant height, or their CSA is given to you, their curved surface area and radius is given to you, then how we will find out slant height, or slant height is given to you and CSA is given to you, then how we will find out the radius. Our TSA given, CSA given, then how we will find out the base radius also. So these all about the question based on right circular cone. In next lecture we also discuss that different question based on right circular cone, how we will find out their area. But important point is not that in case of birthday cap and in case of conical tent, always we will find out the curved surface area of that. Okay, so in next lecture, lecture number 5, we will discuss different question based on cone. That we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.